In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a menu in Wix Studio. Whether you're setting up a new website or updating an existing one, having a well-organized and visually appealing menu is crucial for enhancing your site's navigation and user experience. Let's dive right into the process. First, navigate to your site editor in Wix Studio, where you'll find everything you need to customize your website effectively. From here, to begin customizing your menu, you'll want to go to the Add Elements section and then click on Menu and Search. This will present you with a variety of menu types to choose from, such as horizontal menus, which are great for spreading items across the top of your site, vertical menus, which are ideal for a sidebar layout, and the popular hamburger menu, perfect for mobile devices or a minimalist design. Select the menu style that best suits your website's aesthetics and functionality needs. Once you've chosen your desired menu type, drag it onto your page. It's usually placed in the header section for optimal navigation, but you can position it wherever it fits best for your layout. After placing the menu on your page, click on it to select it, and then click Manage Menu. This feature allows you to effectively tailor the menu to meet your website's specific requirements. Managing your menu includes several customization options. For instance, you can add new items such as site pages, external links, anchors, and CMS pages. This flexibility is great for dynamically structuring your website's navigation. Simply click Add New and choose the type of item you want to add. If you have additional content or other web properties you want to direct your visitors to, adding external links can be particularly useful. Next, you might want to organize your menu items into categories using drop-down containers or submenu titles. These are helpful for grouping related pages and decluttering the main menu. To do this, you can create a drop-down and drag items under the drop-down title as needed. This will streamline the user experience, making it easier for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for without sifting through a long list of pages. Sometimes you may need to remove an item from the menu entirely or just hide it temporarily. Both actions can be easily completed within the Manage Menu settings. Removing items keeps your navigation concise, while hiding them could be useful during temporary changes, such as running promotions or highlighting new features. Reordering items is another crucial aspect of menu management. You can drag and drop items within the Manage Menu section to reorganize them. This is particularly helpful when you want to prioritize certain pages or accommodate new sections on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can customize your menu in Wix Studio to better suit your website's layout and user interaction goals. A customized menu not only enhances aesthetics, but also significantly improves user experience, guiding visitors effectively through your content. Happy customizations, and thanks for watching.